Hello, welcome to Just Maths. Today we'll be looking at understanding algebraic notations. Variables are letters with unknown values representing figures. Now, coefficients are numbers multiplying variables. Exponents indicates repeated multiplication. For example, x raised to power 3 represents x times x times x. Order of operation. Now, you either follow the paired maths or the board maths. Depends on how it is being used in your area. Algebraic expressions is a combination of variables, coefficients, and constants. For example, you have 2x plus 3 is an algebraic expression. It's an algebraic expression. Then equation is a statement that two expressions are equal. A statement that shows that two expressions are equal is an equation. Example, 2x plus 3 equals 5. This is an equation. It goes with the equation sign, equal to sign. Okay. Understanding these algebraic terms will help you solve algebraic equations as we proceed. If I say 97 subtracted from a number x, what does that mean? Okay, that means x minus 97. Now, if I say a number y added to 63, now to express that, I will do 63 plus y. Now, let's try another phrase. The product of a number d and 61. To express that, this will be 61 times d, which eventually will be 61d. Now let's look at adding and multiplying like terms. First, let's look at the addition part. Now, when adding terms, the various terms, example x plus x plus x, you arrive at 3x. But when multiplying x times x times x, you arrive at having x cubed, that is x raised to the power of 3. Now let's simplify this question. C plus C plus C plus D plus D. When you add the three C's, you have 3C plus the 2D will give you 2D's. So your final answer will be 3C 2D. Now you can't add these two together because the terms are different. C is different from D, so you cannot add them together. So you have to leave it as an algebraic expression, 3C plus 2D. Now this means we can add and subtract terms that are alike, but we cannot add or subtract terms that are not alike. Like the example we did earlier on, you can't subtract D from C. But if the terms are all C's and you are meant to subtract, you can subtract or add them up. Okay? But the rule for multiplication is totally different. When multiplying, you can multiply different terms together. For instance, if we have 2C multiplied by 2D, our answer will end up to be 4 CDs. Okay, now these are different terms, but they can be multiplied together. But you can't do this when it is subtraction or addition. Okay, now let's see how this answer will play out when we divide it by 2c. If we have 4cd divided by 2c, the first thing you have to do is to expand each term. Okay, separate each term, the letters from the figures. 2 in 4 is 2. C cancel out C, you have 1. So when you multiply 2 by 1 by D, you have 2D. I believe you've learned one or two about algebraic terms. Now, till I come your way next time, keep practicing to know more. Bye for now.